Hello, tech aficionados. Welcome back to our Mobiles Buzz 2.0, where today's hot topic is the eagerly anticipated OnePlus 12 launch. Rumored to be unveiled in China very soon, with official word expected anytime now, OnePlus is set to astonish us with some revolutionary advancements in camera technology and display. Stay tuned as we unravel the OnePlus 12's state-of-the-art features you'll surely want to know about. And, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest in tech wonders. Hasselblad's magic touch. The OnePlus 12 raises the bar, continuing its famed partnership with Hasselblad for unparalleled optics. But that's not all. It's also leveraging OPPO's expertise in HDR and portrait innovations for an unmatched photo-taking experience. Prepare to be amazed by the art of photography, redefined. Launch timeline. Kicking things off, let's delve into the OnePlus 12's arrival. The tech world is abuzz with anticipation for its imminent launch in China, with whispers of the big reveal happening shortly. OnePlus is all prepped to take the stage by storm, and we're here to capture every moment. Stay glued for updates. Camera specifications deep dive. Now, let's dissect the OnePlus 12's camera prowess. Equipped with a 50 megapixels main shooter featuring the cutting-edge Sony LYT-808 sensor, and complemented by a 64MP periscope telephoto lens, the specs are impressive. With a 70mm focal length, 3x optical zoom, an f2.6 aperture, and optical image stabilization, OIS, the telephoto lens promises extraordinary zoom capabilities and crystal-clear photos, thanks to a revolutionary manufacturing process. Revolutionary camera tech. Moving on to an exciting sneak peek at the OnePlus 12's camera technology that's been the talk of the town. At an exclusive event, OnePlus shared a glimpse into what makes the OnePlus 12's camera a game-changer. The spotlight shines on the newly minted Sony LYT-808 sensor, a collaborative marvel with Sony, designed to transform mobile photography as we know it. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at what the OnePlus 12 has to offer. From groundbreaking camera technology to its collaboration with industry giants like Hasselblad and Oppo, OnePlus is set to redefine smartphone excellence. Don't miss out on any updates by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Until next time, keep loving tech.